ever wondered if your doctor was in network with a plan, whether it be a plan that you're going into or potentially going into, or you're just looking for a new doctor and you want to see if that doctor's in network? Well, essentially, all of the insurance companies are going to work the same way and have the same questions. The big differences will be how they look or the way they word or order the questions. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples. The first and main thing will be once you get into the website for the insurance company is you'll find something that says find care, find doctors, find providers, something along those lines. That will be the link that you're going to want to start at. One of the main questions that they will ask is your location. Some plans will just ask for your zip code. Some may ask for the city and state, maybe even the county and state. Sometimes, like in this example, they ask for multiple forms of location. And they're going to ask the plan type. Now, the way that this question is asked and the available answers all depend on what's available through this insurance company. Now, if they offer Medicare, Marketplace, also known as the health exchange, employer, private plans, they're most likely going to have all of those options listed for selecting the plan type. Now, if they have several different names for the plans, they may also organize it that way, where you select the plan specifically that you're looking for, or even times like this example where they only ask if it's a PPO or an HMO. It varies from company, it varies on what's available. And then also sometimes you may even skip the plan selection for some companies and just do a more broader search. One of the main questions is going to be whether you're searching for the doctor's name, the facility name, or the specialty. Some companies specifically want to know which piece of that you are asking for, or some, like this one, just want you to put in the search bar what you're searching for. So you can search just the last name of the doctor, the facility name, the specialty, whether it's the broad version like primary care or the very specific version like internal medicine, first and last name of the provider. There's several different ways that you can search. Now, if the doctor or facility is not in network with the insurance plan, there will essentially be no results. Now, the possibility is if there is a provider with a similar name, those may pop up, but the specific provider that you are looking for, if they are not in network, they're not going to show up in the results. And on the contrary, if they are in network, they will show up in the results. Some of the plans do specifically also add that they are in network, but typically if they show up in the results, that means they're in network. Another company, another example, again, you're going to hit find doctor, find care, that's still the same. This example kind of shows that because they offer a couple different types of plans, that's where you're selecting it, as opposed to the previous one was just PPO, HMO. So this kind of shows that it makes that difference. Again, you're showing your location. It shows city, state, and zip code on this example. And then this one you're showing, or you're selecting the type under search, whether you're searching by the specialty, the doctor's name, or the facility name. Now, some plans like this one, you can find the provider, especially if you can pass the plan selection. Then once you find the provider, you can typically go into the provider's details, and it will show which of the plans that they offer are also in network with the doctor or the facility. And if you just can't figure it out on your own, you're not tech savvy, that is okay. It's not the easiest subject for everybody. I am more than willing to help you out and find the doctors and make sure that your doctors are in network.